Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 2nd. This is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had non-farm payroll today, and some of the other dollar pairs definitely did break structure to the upside. Pound dollar still, to me, has not broken structure. So we have to be a little bit careful. The pound has been a little bit weak since they had the interest rate news this week, probably why it didn't break structure. For me, I always wait for a structure break before I start switching it up. So technically, if I see like a double top, but that double top is actually a lower high, and then I see an impulsive move down, then I definitely will still take it as a short. On the other hand, if it does go up and if it does break this structure right here, like I've been saying, I definitely, once broken structure, I will start looking for longs on pullbacks. Otherwise, I'm technically still looking for shorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.